I'd like to take a moment to answer some of the commonly asked questions we get here at MKF Lawyers about fatal accident claims. In particular, we often get asked, how much compensation am I likely to receive? What are my chances of winning my case? How much is it going to cost in terms of legal fees to get to the end of the claim? And how long will it take to resolve my case? Hi, I'm Floyd Bakewell. I'm one of the lawyers here at MKF Lawyers that deals with fatal accident claims, and I'd like to answer those questions. Let's jump into it. So, who can make a claim and how much compensation can they receive? Claims can be made by both the spouse and any dependent children of the deceased. The amount that can be claimed will depend on the deceased's anticipated earning capacity. There is a complicated formula applied when assessing the compensation that can be claimed. We will engage an accountant to provide a detailed report to support the claim. A separate claim may also be made by a spouse or child of the deceased if psychiatric injury has been caused. The amount of compensation that can be claimed will depend on the impact that the psychiatric injury has caused to the individual person, including on their ability to work. A claim can also be made for funeral expenses. So, what are your chances of winning your case? Each case is unique, but there are several factors that can impact upon your chances of winning your case, including proving negligence caused the death, the strength of the evidence supporting earning capacity of the deceased, and, in the case of a psychiatric injury, a report from a psychiatrist diagnosing a psychiatric disorder caused by the death. We can arrange the assessment by a psychiatrist for you. So, what fees are involved? Well, here at MKF Lawyers, we decided to be a no-win, no-fee legal firm. What that means is that we don't charge you legal fees until the end of your claim, and only if you succeed in obtaining compensation. How long does the process take? What's involved? There are several factors that can dictate the speed that the claim can progress by. These factors include the complexity of the case, the availability of evidence, the willingness of parties to reach a settlement, the need for expert witness or testimony, and whether the case goes to trial. It's critical to submit a notice of claim within 6 months of the passing of the deceased. There's also another time limit that applies to these claims, which is the time limit for filing the claim in court. The claim must be filed in court within 3 years of the passing of the deceased to prevent the claim from becoming statute barred from being filed in court. To chat with us about your fatal accident claim, click the Book Now button below to arrange a free no obligation chat with us today.